dear organizers, dear Mr. Živković and the team, dear representatives of Canadian institutions from the city of Niagara, from Ontario government, parliament, especially I would like to say, dear member of the parliament and shadow minister for sport, Mr. Nik, and at the same time he is chair of parliamentary friendship group between Serbia and Canada. Reverend fathers, dear representatives from Serbian community, I would like to say first of all, srećan vam veliki praznik Petrovdan I pomaže Bog.
Bog ti pomogao.
It is both a privilege and great personal pleasure to join you today at the Nikola Tesla Days Festival here at one of the most extraordinary places in the world, Niagara Falls. There are few places where Nikola Tesla's vision can be felt as powerfully as it can here. It was at Niagara that one of humanity's greatest scientific dreams became reality. The immense force of nature was transformed into light, demonstrating that ideas born in the mind of one individual can illuminate the levels and the lives of millions. Standing here today at Niagara Falls, we are not simply looking at one of the world's greatest natural wonders. We are standing at the place that reminds us that the greatest transformation in human history begins with the vision of a single individual and the courage to turn that vision into reality. Today, as we celebrate the 170th anniversary of the birth of Nikola Tesla, we are not simply remembering one of history's greatest inventors. We are honoring a man whose ideas reshaped civilization and whose legacy continues to inspire scientists, engineers, entrepreneurs, artists, and young people across the world. Tesla was born into a Serbian Orthodox family, educated in Europe, achieved global greatness in North America, and belongs to all humanity. His genius transcended borders, cultures, and generations. He proved that knowledge has no limits and that true innovation is born from curiosity, perseverance, and courage. For Serbia, Nikola Tesla represents one of the brightest symbols of our scientific, cultural, and spiritual heritage. For Canada, Niagara Falls will forever remain the place where his revolutionary alternating current system demonstrated its transformative power and changed the future of electricity and modern civilization. In many ways, Tesla himself became a bridge between Serbia and Canada. This year, Serbia and Canada are also celebrating the 85th anniversary of the diplomatic relations. Over the decades, our friendship has grown through diplomacy, science, education, business, culture, and above all, through the people who connect our societies every day. Posebno mesto tog prijateljstva pripada Srpskoj zajednici u Kanadi. Njeni članovi su svojim radom ostavili dubok trag u kanadskom društvu, istovremeno čuvajući svoj jezik, kulturu, tradiciju i snažnu vezu sa otadžbinom. Oni I danas predstavljaju živi most koji povezuje naše dve zemlje. This year has brought additional reasons for optimism following the restoration of the direct Air Serbia flight between Toronto and Belgrade. After 34 years, our peoples are once again more closely connected. At the same time, Serbia is preparing to host Specialized Expo 2027 in Belgrade, where we look forward to welcoming Canada and friends from around the world to one of the most important international gatherings of this decade. Ladies and gentlemen, Tesla's legacy is not confined to museums or history books. His ideas continue to shape our future. As humanity enters a new era marked by artificial intelligence, renewable energy, quantum technologies, and unprecedented scientific progress, Tesla's life reminds us that technological advancement must always serve humanity. He believed that science should unite rather than divide, improve lives rather than deepen inequalities, and inspire cooperation rather than conflict. Perhaps This is why his legacy feels even more relevant today than ever before. Ovaj festival nije samo proslava jednog velikog naučnika. On je proslava znanja, obrazovanja, stvaralaštva i zajedništva. On podsjeća mlade generacije da svaka velika ideja počinje radoznalošću, da svako otkriće počinje pitanjem i da mašta često prethodi stvarnosti. Allow me to conclude with several thoughts of Nikola Tesla himself, whose words remain as inspiring today as they were more than a century ago. If I'm fortunate enough to realize even some of my ideas, it will be a blessing for all of humanity. And if those hopes come true, the sweetest thought to me will be that work was done by Sir. And perhaps one of his most beautiful reflections on identity and belonging. As you can see and hear, I have remained a Serb even across the ocean, where I devote myself to research. You should do the same, and through your knowledge and work, elevate the glory of the Serbian people in the world. Before I conclude, allow me to express my sincere appreciation to the organizers of the Nikola Tesla Days Festival. Through their dedication and enthusiasm, they continue to preserve Nikola Tesla's legacy and inspire new generations to embrace knowledge, innovation, and creativity. Perhaps the greatest tribute we can pay to Nikola Tesla is not only to remember his achievements, but to continue nurturing the spirit that guided his life, the spirit of curiosity, creativity, cooperation, and the belief that ideas have the power to change the world. Long live the friendship between Serbia and Canada. Hvala vam još jednom. Thank you.